Hi everyone, Linda from Memories and Photos here. I just wanted to pop in with another quick tip for you. So this one's about pens. So don't overlook the usefulness of pens on your page. I think sometimes we just think about them as a way of journaling. Actually, you can use them to decorate your page. I'm just going to show you what I've been doing with my pens. So turn the camera around. Okay, so here's my page, and I've just found a circular template, and I've just drawn a background grounding circle on here. Then I'm going to put the photographs over the top. It just draws the page in, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a quick sketchy background, and it just anchors the photos on the page. You can be a bit more elaborate if you wish, but you don't have to be. So yeah, there you go. That was a really quick tip. And of course, pens last for ages, so they're very cost effective too. I'll see you again soon with another tip. Bye.